Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to learn about the letter S. S. And the capital S and the lowercase s look exactly the same. Just this one is smaller. Same, smaller. They both start with S. S. The S sounds like the same noise that a snake makes. See how my teeth are together like that? Snake. What else starts with S? Sandals. 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 They can kind of be like flip-flops. Sandals, usually you can see your toes coming out of the sandals. Sandals. How about sleep? Sleep. Sleep starts with S. And smell. Smell. He's smelling the flowers. Smell. This has two S words, stop sign and the street. Street and stop. Both start with S. Oh, I like building a snowman. 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 I bet you have this at home, at least one. Sweater, sweater, sweater. What else starts with S? Something you can find in your kitchen. A spoon, 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 spoon. Eat your soup. That starts with S. With a spoon. Spoon. Do you like to swim? Swim. You can swim in the pool. You can swim in the ocean. Swim. Some of you might like to sing. La la la. Sing. Sing. I know that I love to smile, smile, smile. And I know I already showed you the slithering snake. Can you say slithering snake? What can you do now? Look around your house and find all the things that start with the letter S. And you can draw them, or you can write the words, or do both. I bet you have a spoon in your house that you can draw, and a sweater. I don't think you have a snowman in your house. Maybe outside if it's winter. But I'm sure you might find some sandals. I have another thing that starts with S. How could I forget? My cool sunglasses. Sunglasses. Because the sun also starts with S. And when the sun is out, I need my sunglasses. What do you think, Roxy? Super cool. See you next time.